हाय ऑल, हैप्पी दिवाली। आज अपना पहला एपिसोड हम लोग शूट कर रहे हैं विद ऑल द धमाकास अराउंड बिकॉज टुडे इज दिवाली एंड दिस इज द फर्स्ट एपिसोड ऑफ लेट नाइट मरीन टॉक। नाउ व्हाई आर वी कॉलिंग इट लेट नाइट मरीन टॉक? Because finishing off all the work in the factory, this is some free time I get, and ये free time में it's very easy for me to shoot a quick video on a particular topic next to my personal tank here at home. And behind the camera is my son Shiv, who is helping me in this. So in this first episode, see, we are going to have at least one video every week. And considering how vast marine fish keeping is, we are definitely not short of ideas. But मुझे शुरू करना था बेसिक से, जो कॉमन क्वेश्चंस जो हमेशा सुनने में आते हैं. I wanted to address those things. So what we are going to cover in today's topic is how much media should you put in a marine tank? अगर आप देखेंगे, this is a very weird question जिसका सवाल सबके दिमाग में है, बट जवाब क्लैरिटी के साथ बहुत कम लोग दे पाते हैं. So when you're starting a tank, this should be the first question in your head. अगर अभी तक आपके दिमाग में वो नहीं आया है, or if you are an established fish keeper, you need a surety that your media is appropriate. So we wish to address that in this video. Now before we start, the first point that I want to talk about is जो बायोमीडिया होता है उसका इंपॉर्टेंस क्या है. Why do we need a good quality biomedia in our marine aquariums? To be honest with you, the biomedia is the primary filtration and आपके पूरे टैंक के सक्सेस को डिटरमाइन करता है. Because without biomedia, you will not have the first level, the nitrogen cycle, जो आपके अमोनिया को नाइट्राइट्स एंड नाइट्रेट्स में कन्वर्ट करता है. And it plays a huge part in the overall stability of your marine tank, the quality of your marine tank, and also which stage of maturity your marine tank is. Because if you have good quality media over a period of time, it matures and goes through different phases. And initial stage में, immature stage में, it also goes through faster microcycles. And good quality media also will take you through that ugly phase faster. So that is the importance of having good biomedia in your in your marine tank. I made a few notes, so I'm referring to that. Second question, very important. This is the most important question, right? कितना media डालना चाहिए in a marine tank? How much media should you put in? There is no right or wrong answers to this. But अगर आप एक simple fundamental measurement follow करेंगे, that is for every liter, 1 लीटर पानी के लिए maximum or appropriate levels are 120 grams of media. Now this changes. ये एक number है with which we can work with. But this will change according आपका setup क्या है, मीडिया क्या है, एंड व्हाट आर योर वेरियस अदर प्रोसेसेस. बट दिस इज अ नंबर वी कैन वर्क विथ. नाउ दिस साउंड्स हाई व्हेन यू थिंक अबाउट इट, बट दैट इज वेयर द टाइप ऑफ मीडिया और टाइप्स ऑफ मीडिया कम्स इनटू प्ले. एक मरीन टैंक में मीडिया इज एवरीथिंग दैट यू पुट इन, राइट फ्रॉम योर रॉक्स टू योर सैंड, जो आपके अदर बायोफिल्ट्रेशन मीडिया जो आप सम्प में ऐड करते हैं, आपके फिल्टर्स में ऐड करते हैं, एवरीथिंग इज मीडिया. सो इन शॉर्ट, एनीथिंग दैट कैन हाउस बैक्टीरियल कॉलोनीज एंड क्रिटर्स आर टेक्निकली मीडिया. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू आर हैविंग ये रेशियो के हिसाब से, if I take a calculation for say 100 liters for ease of calculation, 100 liters में आपके पास 12 किलो मीडिया होना चाहिए ऑन द हायर साइड, राइट? सो 12 किलो में आपका आ गया रॉक्स, आपका आ गया सैंड, आपका आ गया ब्लॉक्स एंड योर आर्गोनाइट बॉल्स और व्हाटएवर दैट यू पुट इन. सो दैट इज द रूल ऑफ थंब. Quality of the media matters. Sometimes I work around 20-25% lower than that also. Now, why do I say 120 is a good प्लेस मैक्स मार्क, क्योंकि मीडिया जो होता है इट इज लाइक अ डबल एज स्वॉर्ड. आपका बहुत ज्यादा मीडिया हो जाता है, देन यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट नाइट्रेट ट्रैप्स. दैट मीन्स दैट मीडिया इज गोइंग टू, सॉरी दिवाली दबा के चल रहे हैं. सो excess media is going to trap nitrates. Wrong media will also trap nitrates. तो आप सेट करने के बाद you'll start getting algae issues. You'll start chasing and dosing your nitrates and phosphates. Excess media का वो प्रॉब्लम है. और अगर आपका मीडिया appropriate levels में नहीं है and your bioload is high, your basic nitrogen cycle itself will get affected. So you need to find that sweet spot based on what your media is, what your load is, and how your setup is done. Now, types of media. This is an important part. Rocks are a part of media. So we'll cover it by rocks, sand, and other filtration that you add in the sump, biofiltration, bioblocks, and other things basically. Rocks. I personally prefer synthetic rocks. Because the new synthetic rocks, like I'm using Aquaforest here, are designed for marine tanks. The filtration capacity is optimal, the porosity is optimal, and it is completely inert when you start with. मगर इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि synthetic rocks ही use करना है. You can use natural rocks also, but be careful not to use a live rock. And I'm not talking about the legality of it. So there is an opinion that live rock is not legal. There are people who say no, nothing like that. But the reason I am against live rock is you don't know what you're putting in. और मेरे टैंक्स में मुझे वो इनसिक्योरिटी और इंस्टेबिलिटी पसंद नहीं है. So I don't use live rocks strictly. So even if natural rocks अगर आप यूज करना चाहते हैं, there's nothing wrong with natural rocks. लाइव रॉक्स मत यूज कीजिए. अगर आप लाइव रॉक्स या सेकेंड हैंड रॉक्स किसी से खरीद रहे हैं, गेट इनटू द हैबिट ऑफ क्योरिंग इट, न्यूट्रलाइजिंग इट, क्योरिंग इट. मे बी द नेक्स्ट वीडियो विल स्टार्ट कवरिंग रॉक्स, कि रॉक्स को कैसे क्योर करना चाहिए. मे बी इन वन ऑफ द forthcoming videos. Next comes sand. Sand plays a very, very important role in your overall setup. But वो बोलते हुए I might sound very much like a hypocrite because I'm sitting next to my personal tank जहाँ पे it's a bare tank. This is something I would not advise any beginner or even an intermediate fish keeper to do. क्योंकि bare tank is a different ball game altogether. उसको cycle करना, उसको stabilize करना is not easy. Your micro cycles are wild in a bare tank. My tank is stable. If you see the fishes around me and the maturity of the tank, I can confidently put any load and it will handle it. But sand is essential when you're starting out. Use only Argonite sand. And in these videos, I'm not here to promote a particular brand or something that we sell. But basic marine fish keeping के लिए, the sand has to be an Argonite sand. Please stick to good quality Argonite sand. Choose your sizes right from 1 mm all the way till 5 mm. Sometimes mix up a couple of varieties of sands, and also the sand has to be chosen according to the sifters and the cleaners that you're going to have in your livestock. We'll cover sand also in one of the coming videos separately. Third is media. This is something मैं बहुत बार देखता हूँ and बोलता हूँ it's not the right way. When you're setting up a marine tank, you will have to use media which are designed for a marine tank. जैसे प्लास्टिक बायोबॉल्स आते हैं जिसके अंदर कभी स्पॉन्ज रहता है, और very very what do you call that white looking ceramic rings जो फ्रेश वाटर में यूज करते हैं. It's a strictly no, you cannot use those medias on your marine tank. Your marine tank media has to be multifold. It has to be, if possible, natural argonite fluoride or any of collagen-based or protein-based medias which you get. You can use blocks which will house a healthy colony. All the media that you use in a marine tank basically has to be as close to nature as possible. That is my advice. So we have, I'll put a screenshot of some of the media that we personally use, and that will give you an indication of what kind of media to use. So summing up the first episode on your media. Media is anything in your marine tank which will house biome or your bacterial colonies and critters. It can be rocks, it can be sand, it can be other biomedia, biocubes, bioblocks, whatever that you put in your sump. How much to use? Stick to the upper limit of 120 grams per liter. उसके ऊपर आपको जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा if you cycle it properly. Types of media, we covered that, has to be marine grade. So these are the key points from today's video. If you have any doubts, reach out to us through our website, which is arawana.co.in, or leave a comment below. We will try to address each and every comment and question that comes to us. Thank you.